Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. This process is done from the customer area, where you can view a customer's transaction history and remove a payment if needed. Before deleting anything, it's always a good idea to confirm that you've selected the correct transaction, since deleting a payment can affect balances and reporting. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, move your mouse over the 9-dot icon in the left navigation area. This menu gives you access to different parts of your QuickBooks workspace. When that menu appears, hover over Customer Hub to reveal the customer-related options. From there, click Customers and Leads. This will take you to the customer list where you can find the specific customer connected to the payment you want to remove. Take a moment here to choose the correct customer carefully, especially if you have several customers with similar names or multiple recent transactions. After you click on the customer, you'll be taken to that customer's detail page. On this screen, look for the sample transaction and then scroll to the right if necessary. In many QuickBooks views, some action options are hidden off to the side, so scrolling horizontally helps you see the controls associated with that transaction. When you locate the payment transaction, click the drop-down menu next to it. This drop-down contains the actions available for that specific entry. From the list of options, click Delete. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the action, which is a helpful safeguard in case the deletion was selected by mistake. To finish, click Delete again in the confirmation prompt. Once confirmed, the payment will be removed from the customer's record. As a final tip after deleting the payment, take a quick look at the customer's balance and transaction list to make sure everything now reflects what you expected. This can help you confirm that the correct payment was deleted and that no follow-up adjustments are needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online.